Hi, Geoff and Heather. I did get a planning sheet ready and a reflection sheet ready for your alt history students. So since I'm not here this week and you're probably going to want to use it, I thought I'd just make a quick little video on how to do it. So I shared a folder called Alternative U.S. History with you. So you should see that I shared this folder. If you don't see it, let me know and I will be able to email you another invitation to it. In it, you'll see a folder for students. We'll come back to that in a minute. A form for Alt U.S. History Planning and Prioritizing. So this is the planning one. And a form for daily reflection. Geoff, if you're using Google Classroom, you will want to click on the icon for the double heads here, do a control click, and get a shareable link. Here's the shareable link. You'll want to copy it, and then you'll want to put that on Classroom, and the kids can just click on it and it's going to take them to the form. That's also true for the daily reflection. Click on it, get a shareable link, and put it right on Google Classroom, and the kids can go to Google Classroom and they can click on those to get to the form. If you're not using Google Classroom, you can just share that form with them through email if you want to. But let's talk about where you actually find the results. So this spreadsheet here might be really important to you. So let's open it. When it opens up, it has a bunch of tabs at the bottom. I also gave you total editing rights. So I'll warn you that you don't want to click on anything and delete anything because that might bust up some things that can be fixed, but it will make it difficult to use this. So right here at the bottom, Form 1, this is actually where students their data will come in, telling their name, what they're planning to do for the day, and if they would like some help. The next tab is reflection. Describe what you accomplished today. Describe what you plan to accomplish between the end of this class and the next class. Will you need any information, any help? And their name will appear over here. Then also is an individual tab for each student. So again, the green will be what they plan. The yellow will be their reflection. And those are all set up all the way across. So you can check every single kid. Checking each student might be easier than looking at the form tabs. All right, I'm going to close this one up. And I'm going to go to this student folder. And I'm going to open it. Okay, when I open it, you'll see there's a form here for every single kid. And you're going to need to, a spreadsheet. You're going to need to share the spreadsheet. And the fastest way to do that is, again, do a control click on this icon, the double-headed icon, and share. And you just start typing the name in. I'm not even going to do Ben, but if you do it, you'll be able to just add it. Change this right here. This is hugely important. Change this to Can View. So, and once you've got Ben's email address in here, you just click send. And they will get it in their email and they will be able to open it and see it. And what this does is when I open up Ben's, if he had data in here, and isn't that funny? He does, because I haven't deleted it yet. It's gone now. It's just caught up. It was in there because I was testing it. It said what he planned to do and how much he got done. And it will fill in the next day what he planned to do and how much he got done. So every student can go look and see what they planned and what they got done. So if you have any questions about any of this, Jim Grant certainly knows the ins and outs of this. He worked on it with me, and I know he could help you. You can also email me, and if I'm sitting in a conference session that's not too enlightening, I might be checking my email at that point. I'll check between sessions too. So I hope this works, and I hope you find it useful.